Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your region on Instagram. Today, we will guide you through the steps on how to update your location on the popular social media platform. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Edit Profile from the menu. Scroll down until you see the option for Contact Options. Tap on it and then choose Business Address. From there, select City Town. Now, you can edit your city to reflect your current location. Once you have made the necessary changes, tap on the check icon at the top right corner of the screen to save your updates, and that's it. You have successfully edited your region on Instagram. Keep in mind that this process may vary slightly depending on the device you are using, but the general steps should remain the same. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.